create this look, I have used Holo Taco's long-lasting base coat as my base, See Y'all Later Chai as my main base color, and then I added Left on Red, Oh My Gourd, Butterscotch Hop, Bring Me the Teal, and Scattered Holo Taco before sealing the deal with, of course, Super Glossy Taco. Always start with a base coat. That way it adheres to the nail bed nicely. Followed by our base color, just in case our fluid art doesn't cover properly. Then, to do the fluid art, I am dropping each of the accent colors into a shot glass that I only use for nail art that has room temperature water in it. And once they're dropped in and have spread out, I'm spritzing them with rubbing alcohol that I have put into a spray bottle before dipping the nail into each color individually, wiping up around the edges of the glass with a Q-tip or an orange stick to remove excess color and pulling the nail out, thus layering the accent colors on in an interesting fluid pattern. Then I add the scattered Holo Taco to the top to add some sparkle before we finally finish the look by sealing it with a Super Glossy Taco for maximum shine and maximum glory. And then ta-da! There's the